Yo, what's up? Alright. Okay, there we go. Boss time! And great night. Never mind.
Man, running past all those fish put me in the mood for sushi. I doubt Eggman has the decency to put a good sushi joint in this park.
Remember, ladies and gentlemen, try the newest dining experience here at Eggman's incredibly December amusement park, the Bucket of Sushi. Now with finish.
Ugh.
What?
I was saying.
So wait, you're serving them buckets that entire time?
Hey, did somebody here order a clobbering? Are you sure? It says somebody ordered an extra large clobbering topped with everything. Okay. Tell you what, I can't take this thing back, so I'll give you an extra large clobbering for nothing. Hope you're hungry.
Okay, so this one is just a repeat. Well, most of the boxes are just a repeat of the ones that you fought earlier. So this one, basically you have a lot of missiles follow you, and especially the black ones. Let the black ones follow you, because they're the deadly ones. See your kids? Right there. You want? What, already? Are you happy? Come on. Come on, guys, right here. Oh, snap! Come on! Do-do-do-do! I'm not breaking a sweat, you know? Hi-ya! Alright, now this captain will actually swim around in the ocean, so you're gonna need to use your drill to your advantage. So, wait for him to come over here, drill him. There he is. Why is this guy so fast? I'm the fastest thing alive, for Pete's sake. Fat man can fly. Ah, dang it. What? I should have killed. Okay, not killed. Should have hurt him at least. What? How does Sonic spinning not kill a guy? I mean, seriously, it's the equivalent of the homing attack and spin dash. Come on. Still not break. Stop aiming at those. Come on, guys. Seriously, you're still here. You guys are doing a poor job. Better see what they are. I'm losing patience, guys. Come on. Oh, dang. I'm still alive. Whee! Freaking cores. What? I just got a bubble. Stupid game. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You can't be taking this long. What do I do? Lose that bucket of sushi? All I need to do, put here I am on my back! Of course. Of freaking course. Alright, come on. No, you're a little close, guy. Come on, come on. Already? Are you serious? Okay, something's coming. It's coming. It's coming. My pet's coming. Yay! Okay, so you have to hit him with the drill, which sucks. Oh, my last one I never had him with the drill. Booyah! Mofo. Where the heck does Sonic go? Yeah, they're kinda rhymes. Booyah, mofo. Where the heck did Sonic go? And we repeat. cycle we just went through. This time, we're having a race or something. I'm the fastest thing alive in water too? Jeez. Come on guys, I'm still alive. Guys? Guys? Hello? Are you serious? You got lost? How would you be sticking missiles get lost? No, 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 you son of a gun! Okay. You guys better do your job. No! No! You idiots! Stop! Okay, good. One's that an idiot? Oh, dang it. Minis. Bacchus, come on! Oh, dang. You gotta be kidding. At a time like this, I'm trying to save lives, darn it. Don't you son of a gun. Oh my gosh, this has to be my longest playthrough of this yet, because I keep crashing into all this stuff. Stop, you idiots! Wait, happening. Follow me! No, no, no! Bacchus! I'm serious, I'm right here. I'm not gonna lead you anywhere. I'm right here. Oh, look! Ain't that a piece of bull crap? It took me the longest time to get those missiles. You know what? It's not even funny anymore. When that guy comes up, I'm gonna give him a piece of my drill. He's here. Yeah, in your face. I made my complaint known to all. And that helps too. Of course it's a time up. I just beat the idiot. Yeah. I totally bombed that one.
Great job, Sonic.
You know me. I aim to please.
Well, I'm totally pleased. And a little nauseous. We go around divided like bucket of sushi.
Well, what's the verdict?
His cruelty knows no bounds.
I see.
Get up.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time, and bye.